friends, I, Dr. Vaishali Charjan from Kamla Nehru Mahavidhyalaya, welcomes you all in the session on topic Adulteration of Crude Drugs. Adulteration is a practice of substituting original crude drug partially or whole with other similar looking substances, but the latter is either free from or inferior in chemical and therapeutic properties. In short, in simple, we can say substitution is of original drug with inferior, defective and which is harmful to human being. Such substances is generally called adulteration. Crude drugs are that drugs which are obtained naturally from plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, minerals, and not undergo any type of physical and chemical process that are used for prevention or treatment of disease in humans or animals. Now we can see adulterant. Adulterant must be some material which is both cheap and available in fairly large amount and added in the original medicine to create adulteration. We can see now types of adulteration. Basically, there are two types of adulteration. Deliberate means intentional adulteration and indeliberate means accidental adulteration. First, we can see deliberate adulteration. These are normally commercial, mainly with the intention of enhancement of profits. And the second, indeliberate adulteration, it is usually attributed accidentally due to ignorance, carelessness or lack of facilities for maintaining food quality. Now, why generally people do adulteration? So we can see reasons for adulteration. First, scarcity of the drug. That means when there is low quality or low amount of drug is available. Second, the high price of the drug in the market. And third, it is very common with the contraband drugs. Types of adulteration or substitution of crude drugs. Different methods used for adulteration may be grouped as follows. First one is substitution with inferior commercial varieties. Due to morphological resemblance to the authentic drugs, different inferior commercial varieties are used as adulterant, which may or may not have any chemical or therapeutic potential as that original natural drugs. For example, generally Japanese ginger mayoga is used to adulterate medicinal ginger, Gingiber officinale. Second is adulteration by artificially manufactured substitutes. To provide the general form and appearance of various drugs, some materials are artificially manufactured and are used as substitute of the original one. For example, artificial invert sugar is generally used to prepare honey, as well as paraffin wax. After giving them yellow coloration, it's substituted for beeswax. Third type is substitution by exhausted drugs. Here, the same plant material is mixed, which is having no active medicinal components as they have already been extracted out. This practice is most common in case of volatile oil containing material like clove, phenol, etc., where the dried exhausted material resembles the same like original drug. Similarly with drugs like Cascara sagrada and ginger. Sometimes when coloring matters have been extracted or removed during exhaustion, the residue is recolored with artificial dyes as is done with saffron and red rose petals. Fourth is substitution by superficially similar but cheaper natural substances. Usually here the adulterated product has no relation with the genuine article. That means the genuine original drug may or may not have any therapeutic or chemical components desired. For example, we can see leaves of species Ailanthus are substituted for belladonna, senna, mint, etc. Fifth one is adulteration by addition of worthless heavy materials. A large mass of stone mixed with liquorous root, pieces of limestone are found in asafoetida, and lead shot has occurred in pieces of opium, etc. Sixth is addition of synthetic principles. Principles sometimes to fortify inferior natural products. Synthetic principles are added. For example, adding citral to oil of lemon or benzyl benzoate to balsam of Peru, etc. Seventh one is usage of vegetative matter from the same plant. This is done by mixing adventitious matters or naturally occurring with the drug in excessive amount or parts of plant other than that which constitutes the drugs. For example, liverworts and epiphytes growing in bark portion are mixed with cascara or cinchona. Another example, stems of bucco are sometimes cut into short lengths and added to the drug. Thank you.